Okay, punta naman tayo sa next lesson. This is the analysis or matrix analysis of classes. So may mga formulas dito na i-accept lang natin. Okay, these are derived like this one. Yung dating topic natin, di ba, delta 1 at saka delta 2 lang to. So walang vertical. Now, kapag horizontal siya, like this one, yung k element mo is, okay, look at this, EA over L. Alright, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice na walang delta 2 at saka walang delta 4 actually kasi horizontal lang to. So, walang deformation along the vertical. So, ang meron lang deformation is along the horizontal. Okay, ang tawag dito is local displacements, no, local. So, pag sinabing local, along and perpendicular doon sa line. So, look at the formula. Okay, 1, 0, negative 1, 0. Yung sa 2, di ba, wala naman sa 2. So, 0 lahat yan. Sa 3, meron. Negative 1, 0, 1. Ito, negative 1, 0, 1. Sa 4, wala. Kasi walang replacements ito. Ito yung K element. Now, our P, okay, our P now is equal to, ito yung P1, P2, P3, P4. Actually, ito yung mga forces now associated with delta 1, P1 associated with delta 1, P2 associated with delta 2, P3 associated with delta 3, P4 associated with delta 4. Now, if you notice, itong matrix na to is our K element, yung buo na to. So, actually, our P matrix, okay, is equal to K element times delta matrix. Yung delta, ang tawag dito, local displacement. Okay? So, that is just along the line at saka perpendicular to the line. Ngayon, ito pa yung isang formula ngayon kapag naka-incline na siya. Notice na apat na ngayon yung displacements natin dito is apat. U1, U2, ito yung laging horizontal vertical. So, that is U1 at saka U2. Now, yung delta 1 saka delta 2 is along the line ng truss element at saka perpendicular dun sa truss element. Ngayon, okay, ganun din dito, no? Delta 3 saka delta 4, tapos U5, okay, I'm sorry, this should be, tama, U3 to at saka U4. There, U4. So, that is U3 and U4. Ngayon, ang relationship ngayon, ang tawag sa U, ito yung global displacements. Global displacements. Pag sinabing global displacements, along the horizontal and vertical siya. Horizontal, vertical lang. Pag sinabing local displacements, ito yung local displacements natin. Local displacements, no? Ano ibig sabihin ng local displacements? Yun yung along the truss element and perpendicular to the truss element. Now, ito yung relationship ng delta at saka U. Okay. Delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, delta 4 is C cosine theta, sine theta, negative sine theta, cosine theta, and then cosine theta, sine theta, negative sine theta, cosine theta, U1, U2, U3, U4. So, basically, ang formula natin dyan is delta is equal to beta times U. Ang tawag dito sa matrix na to is beta. Yan, yung matrix na yan. Ang tawag dyan is, okay, beta. Or transformation. Ang tawag dyan is transformation matrix. Okay. So, tandaan niyo yung formula na to. Delta is equal to what? Beta times U. Tapos, ito namang formula na to is K system. So, ito naman, yung K mo, yung stiffness mo in terms of U1, U2, U3, and U4 to. So, basically, this is what? This is along the horizontal at saka vertical. Now, ito yung pagkakaiba. Yung K element dito sa isa is ano to? Local lang to. Along the line of action and then perpendicular. Along the line and then perpendicular to the line. Ito naman is laging horizontal at saka vertical lang. U1 saka U2. U3, U4, horizontal, vertical. So, 4 siya. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. That's associated with what? With 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun yung mga displacement. Okay, ang arrow of U3 is to the right, right, U3, saka U4. Laging right at saka up. Now, where your C is what? Your C is cosine of theta, and your S is sine of theta. Tapos, ito naman yung relationship ng P at saka F. Yung P1 naman is, okay, yung force along the truss element, and yung P2 is yung force along the vertical element. While yung F1 naman is equal to what? Yung F1 naman is horizontal, vertical, horizontal at saka vertical. So, tandaan mo yung now this one is again our what? Transformation matrix beta. So, basically, ang formula natin dito is the P matrix. Ano nga ba yung P matrix? Yung mga force associated with what? With the local displacement is equal to beta times 1F. Yung F matrix is yung horizontal, vertical. Yung beta natin, yung kanina, ito yung beta natin, no? Again, that is your beta matrix ito. CS, negative SC, CS, negative SC. Yun yung beta matrix natin. Okay. Now, remember our P matrix is equal to what? K element times delta. Okay, and yung mga formula natin, our delta is equal to what? Beta times U. Ano nga ba uli yung delta? Ito yung local displacement. Ano nga ba yung U? Ito yung what? Yung ano nga ba yung U? Ito yung ano? Ito yung global displacement, yung horizontal, vertical. And remember, our F is equal to what? Is equal to K U. Now, yung K na to, itong K na to, ito yung system, okay? Ito yung tinatawag na system coordinate sa system coordinate K. Okay. So, yun yung K na yan o. Yung K na yan, ito. Derived na siya, ito yung formula. EA over L, C squared, CS, negative C squared, negative CS, and so on. Okay, so ito yung formula natin. Ngayon, i-apply natin to sa mga problems para maintindihan.